Hey, thanks for watching and tuning in today with Cartooning with Grandpa and the boys. I'm Grandpa.
I'm Max. I'm Clay.
And what are we going to be drawing today, guys?
A moose!
Yeah, so we look forward to you watching with us as we draw. So hang around and we'll talk about our moose after a bit.
Bye. Bye.
Hey, welcome back. Today we're still out camping and we're going to draw a moose. So the first thing we do when we draw a moose is we go right to the middle of the paper and we make a big round nose. Big round nose, kind of in the middle, not too far up. Yep. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is go up on the top here and you're going to go almost like the shape of a peanut, like that. Okay, down one side, and then the other side's going to be the same. And then up here you're going to go around and you're going to make it exactly the same on both sides like that. Okay, so that's the nose, the head, and we're going to put a little smile on them. Put a smile like that on them. There you go. Smile on them, and now we got to put eyes on them, right? Two eyes. You know how to draw the eyes. Remember, they're kind of like the shape of eggs, right?
Yeah.
Do you guys like eggs?
No.
No, you don't like eggs. How come?
Mm-hmm.
Did you enjoy drawing the chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't like eggs. Oh man. Okay, put the eyelids on. Cross, and then fill in the eye. Make sure you leave a little bit for reflection, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You got it, Clay?
Yeah.
There we go. Good job. So we're going to put ears. We're going to go up here, and you're going to go like that and like that for ears for the moose. Okay, yeah, good, Clay. And we'll make another part on the inside here. That's kind of the hearing part, right?
Yeah.
Hey, let's put eyebrows on this guy. Let's make him look really cool. Okay, so now we're gonna put horns on him. So you're gonna start where the bottom of your ear is here, and you're gonna go up, and you're gonna go around and around and around 3 times and back. Okay, don't go off the paper. Yeah, keep it up there, so there we go. Yeah, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just wait. Okay, here we go. Other side, you kind of want to do the same, like that. Good. Oh, that's a good moose. So we're gonna put a little bit of a neck on him here. You don't have to put a body on him. We'll just put a neck on him there. Okay, and then let's fill the nose in here. Fill the nose all in black, but leave the middle part so that you have the reflection, right? So our sound might be a little off because we're outside shooting at a campground because we're camping, but we're wanting to draw animals that are out here, right? And so there's moose out here. Okay, now we're gonna color them. Okay. You guys I don't know how many pencils we got here, but you guys each take a different one and color it in. We don't have a lot to pick from. I'm gonna make mine gray because I'll say it's an older moose. I don't know if my gray is even showing up. Let's use gray for the horns. Just so people at home can get a bit of an idea of what we're doing, right? So some of these colors may not be real good, but it'll give people an idea what we're wanting to fill in. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow on mine, so you can have lots of fun when it's cartooning, right?
Yeah.
Do you want any yellow? Here's some yellow.
Thanks.
You can use yellow for the horns. I might use some of this maybe for... There we go. Do you guys you have more fun drawing or coloring? What part do you like?
Coloring.
You guys why do you like coloring better?
Because you make it more creative.
Oh, make it more creative. That's a good idea. Yeah. So are you all done there, Max?
Yep.
Well, then you can put your signature on there. Because that's the last thing we do is we sign them, right? And I'm gonna, there we go, my signature. My pen is kind of getting worn out, but that works fine. How's it going, Clay? You got her? Okay. All right. So do we have fun drawing a moose today?
Yeah.
All right. Thumbs up. Max, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Hey, one of the things that we drew, as you can see, was the moose. And what did we have to say about the moose?
Because there's a moose on the loose.
Yeah. What about the moose and
The moose wears the goose.
moose were the goose? Wow. Yeah, so we had lots of fun with the moose anyways. Lots of fun drawing that while we were camping. And we hope that everybody enjoyed drawing the moose with us. Watch our channels. We're going to be doing a whole lot more of them. Thanks for following us and being our friends, right? So
Yeah.
did we have fun drawing that moose?
Yes.
Was that moose a goose or loose?
A loose.
A loose goose moose. Yeah. So that was great. So Clay, what do you got to say?
Like our channel.
Max?
Subscribe and tell your friends.
That's right. And we end by saying
Bye.
thumbs up. Have fun cartooning. See you. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.